outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for north and central Georgia. For today and tonight, patchy fog will be possible through sunrise. Isolated thunderstorms in portions of south-central Georgia will be possible this afternoon. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Isolated to scattered afternoon thunderstorms will return on Tuesday through Friday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. Patchy dense fog this morning across parts of North Georgia. Some patchy dense fog will restrict visibilities to less than 1 mile across parts of North Georgia. Fog should lift by or shortly after 10 a.m. If driving this morning, slow down, use low beam headlights and leave extra distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Here is the